Hello students, let's continue the topic ionic equilibria. Today we are going to study the salt which contain weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. So student, today we are going to study salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. As you all are aware about the Ka and Kb. Now we are taking example here, ammonium fluoride. It is a salt of weak acid HF, hydrogen fluoride, and weak base, ammonium hydroxide. So NH4F means ammonium fluoride is a salt which is made by weak acid HF, hydrogen fluoride, and weak base NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. HF having a Ka value, Ka means dissociation constant of acid. So HF having a Ka value 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4, and ammonium hydroxide having a Kb value, Kb means dissociation constant of base. The value of Kb for ammonium hydroxide NH4OH is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Here, as you have seen, Ka is greater than Kb. Now, the salt is hydrolyzed as NH4 plus aqueous plus F minus aqueous plus H2O. It gives NH4OH and HF. This is the reaction which indicates the hydrolysis of the salt. The acid HF is slightly stronger than base NH4OH. The two ions react with water, which is clearly seen by this reaction. NH4 plus 2H2O gives NH4OH plus hydronium ion, and F minus aqueous plus H2O give HF plus OH minus ion or hydroxyl ion. So in the hydrolysis of the salt, we have seen the NH4 plus F minus with water, which give NH4OH plus HF. From this reaction, these two ions means NH4 plus and F minus react with water. So NH4 plus when react with water, it gives ammonium hydroxide and hydronium ion, and F minus when react with water, it gives HF plus OH minus ion. The NH4 plus ion hydrolyzed to a slightly greater extent than fluoride ion. Student, remember, NH4 plus ion hydrolyzed to a slightly greater extent than a fluoride ion. That means the reaction produces more hydronium ion than the OH minus ion produced in the next reaction. In other words, we can say NH4 plus ions are slightly stronger as acid than F minus ions as base. The solution of ammonium fluoride is thus only slightly acidic and turn blue litmus paper to red. So it is the first type of salt in which Ka is greater than Kb. Now, the second type of salt is the salt of weak acid and weak base for which K Ka is lower than Kb. Here we are using ammonium cyanide NH4Cl is a salt which is made by weak acid HCN hydrogen cyanide having Ka value 4.0 into 10⁻⁻10 and NH4OH ammonium hydroxide weak base having Kb value 1.8 into 10⁻⁵, which is clearly showing that Ka is lower than Kb. Now we are taking the reaction where NH4Cl means ammonium cyanide is dissolved in water and hydrolysis as clearly seen by this reaction. NH4 plus aqueous plus Cn minus aqueous plus water gives NH4OH plus HCl, means weak base and weak acid again. As you have seen student, in this reaction or in all the reaction of this topic we are using a reversible sign. So weak base and weak acid again give NH4 plus Cn minus plus H2O, or NH4 plus or Cn minus H2O hydrolyze and give NH4OH and HCl. The base NH4OH is stronger than the acid HCl. As you have seen, NH4OH is the base and HCl is the acid. So NH4OH is stronger base than HCl acid. The ion of this salt, when the ion of this salt react with water, so we get the reaction NH4 plus aqueous plus water liquid give NH4OH aqueous plus hydronium ion aqueous. Same here, second ion Cn minus means cyanide minus. Students, always remember these two ions which is react with water, these ions are from NH4OH and HCl. Cyanide when react with water, it give HCl plus OH minus ion. The cyanide ion hydrolyzed to a greater extent than NH4 plus ion. Always remember, cyanide ion hydrolyzed, as you have already aware that what do you mean by hydrolysis or how the ions are hydrolyzed. So when it is react with water, so when cyanide ion hydrolyzed, so the hydrolysis of cyanide ion is greater than ammonium ion and reaction produce more OH minus means hydroxyl ion, more OH minus ion than hydronium ion. Why we are getting more OH minus ion than hydronium ion in these two reactions? Because cyanide ion hydrolyzed to a greater extent, that's why we receive more OH minus ion, and ammonium ion hydrolyzed to a lower extent, that's why we get less hydronium ion. What does it mean? The solution of NH4Cl. NH4Cl is the salt. So the solution of NH4Cl is basic. Why it is basic? Because we get more hydroxyl ion or OH minus ion as you all of you know, the substance which give OH minus ion in their aqueous solution is a base. So in this salt we get more OH minus ion, that's why it is basic in nature and turns red litmus paper blue. So it is the second type of salt which is made by weak acid and weak base and having the Ka value lower than Kb. The next salt is salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is equal to Kb. For this type of salt we are using here ammonium acetate CH3COONH4. It is the salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is equal to Kb. So ammonium acetate is made by acetic acid, which is nothing but a weak acid, means CH3COOH having the Ka value 1.8 into 10⁻⁵ plus ammonium hydroxide having the value of Kb is equal to 1.8 into 10⁻⁵. When the salt ammonium acetate is dissolved in water, it undergoes hydrolysis and we get the reaction. CH3CO minus means acetate ion, NH4 plus means ammonium ion. React with water, it gives again weak acid and weak base means acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide. Now in the next step, same, we are using the ion of the acid which is react with water. So acetate ion react with water, give acetic acid and hydroxyl ion, and ammonium ion react with water which give ammonium hydroxide and hydronium ion. In this reaction, as we know, Ka is equal to Kb. The relative strength of acid and base produced in hydrolysis is the same. Means OH minus ion and H3O plus hydronium ion both are in the same extent. Therefore, solution is neutral. Hydrolysis of NH4 plus produces as many H3O plus ion as that of acetate ion produce OH minus ion. So this type of salt for which Ka is equal to Kb is neutral. The solution of this salt is neutral because H3O plus and OH minus ion produces in this same extreme. So these are the three types of salt. The first type is salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. Second type is salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is lower than Kb. The last type of salt is weak acid and weak base for which Ka is equal to Kb. I hope you all understand these types of salt according to Ka and Kb value. The next topic is the buffer solution. Actually, what is the buffer solution? Buffer solution is defined as the solution which resists drastic change in pH when a small amount of strong acid and strong base of water is added to it. Means when you add buffer solution in any substance and then add any acid or base, so there is no change in the pH of the substance or solution. Means buffer solution is a solution which resists drastic change in pH. Means when you add the buffer solution in any of the substance, so there is no change in pH of that substance. Whenever you added a small amount of strong acid or base or water, any of the thing in this solution, there is no change in pH. Why? Because you are using the buffer solution in that substance. I am again repeating the definition of the buffer solution. Buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists drastic change in pH when a small amount of strong acid or strong base or water is added to it. Now the next topic is types of buffer solution. So students, there are two types of buffer solution. Acidic buffer used to maintain an acidic pH, while basic buffer maintain alkaline pH. So students, you have already cleared that there are two types of buffer. One is acidic buffer solution and another is basic buffer solution. We are studying one by one this type of solution. So one is acidic buffer solution. So a solution containing a weak acid and its salt with a strong base is called acidic buffer solution. I am giving you examples which clearly how to make acidic buffer solution. How to make acidic buffer solution. So see here student example. It is the example of acidic buffer solution in which we are using weak acid and salt of weak acid and strong base. So you can understand easily how we can make acidic buffer solution. So acidic buffer solution is made by using weak acid and salt. Which type of salt? So the salt which is made by weak acid and strong base. Here we are using the weak acid means acetic acid and the salt sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is the salt which is made by weak acid means acetic acid and strong base means NaOH. Sodium acetate means CH3COONA. How we can get sodium acetate? So by using acetic acid means CH3COOH plus NaOH. So always remember student, when we are preparing acidic buffer solution, so you have to use weak acid and the salt which contain same weak acid and strong base. It is the acidic buffer solution. The pH of acidic buffer solution is given by the formula pH is equal to pKa, as you have already know what is Ka. Ka is the dissociation constant of acid and pKa is nothing but a minus log to the base 10 of Ka. pKa is nothing but a minus log to the base 10 of Ka. So the formula for the pH of acidic buffer is given by the equation pH is equal to pKa. As you know what is pKa, plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. As you have know, this square bracket is nothing but concentration. I hope you understand what is the acidic buffer solution and the formula of acidic buffer solution. Now the next type is basic buffer solution. In this same way, acidic buffer solution we can make basic buffer solution, means a solution which containing a weak base and its salt with strong acid is the basic buffer solution. As you have seen, we are using here the example for basic buffer solution is weak base NH4OH, means ammonium hydroxide, plus NH4Cl, means ammonium chloride. So ammonium hydroxide is the weak base and ammonium chloride is the salt of weak base and strong acid. How we can get ammonium chloride? So by using NH4OH plus HCl. By using NH4OH plus HCl, we can make the salt of weak base and strong acid, which is nothing but a NH4Cl. Student, always remember, whatever weak acid or weak base we are using, so we have to use the salt of this base or acid only. Now the formula, as you have already studied, for base, in place of pH we are using POH for base. So the POH of basic buffer solution is POH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt upon concentration of base. Formula is same, only the difference is in place of pH we are using POH, in place of pKa we are using pKb. As you know, Kb is the dissociation constant for the base. In place of concentration of acid we are using concentration of base. And same here, pKb is nothing but a minus log to the base 10 of Kb. So in this topic we are having 4 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 equations are known as Henderson-Haselberg equation.